In this video, we are going to show you how to use the Rosemor Rotomac ET15B Escalator Cleaner. To remove the machine from the trolley, press the machine up button, bring down the wheels. Remove the pin and bar from the front of the trolley. Pull the trolley away from the unit. Let's look at the controls. Emergency stop, hour meter, vacuum button, up button, down button, brush button, solution button, auto start button that turns on the brushes, solution, and vacuum, the program knob, which has 4 different settings. 1 is for 15 seconds, 2 is for 30 seconds, 3 is for 45 seconds, and 4 is for 1 minute. 1 and 2 are for routine maintenance cleaning, and 3 and 4 are for heavy cleaning. The key switch, the battery on button, which is used in case of power failure to safely remove the machine off of the escalator, and the stop button. There is also a safety clip to prevent the machine from coming off the escalator while in use. The solution tank is located on the operator's left side, and the dirty water tank is on the operator's right side. Before operation, you will need to fill the solution tank with water in the appropriate solution ratio. Then attach the solution hose from the machine to the tank. Before moving the machine on the escalator, make sure the escalator is in the stop position. Then push the machine on the escalator and stop. Start the escalator and take the machine up 5 steps. Push the machine forward until it stops. Press the lowering button, and then when it stops and resting on the escalator, slide the machine forward as far as it will go. You will need to make adjustments to the legs to suit the needs of the escalator you are cleaning. The green gliders need to be flat with the steps. You will need to use your 6mm Allen wrench to loosen and raise up the left black foot and then tighten it in place. The other 3 feet will then need to be loosened as well. Press the machine down button and the machine should sit flat on the step. Then loosen the left black foot and let it drop down into place, and then tighten. Tighten the other 3 legs as well. The machine is now set for cleaning. If you notice that the brushes are sticking out from the machine after making adjustments, raise up the machine and press the brush button and the brushes will draw back in. Then relower the machine again. If you don't do this, you will ruin your brushes. For escalators with heavy soil, it is recommended to pre-spray 4 to 5 steps at a time with the solution. Once the machine is ready and in the correct position, the auto start button will flash. Press that button to begin cleaning on the setting that was selected. The solution button will light up when the chemical is being dispensed. When the cleaning cycle is done, raise the machine, push it forward until it stops. Press the lowering button, and when it stops and is resting on the escalator, slide the machine far as it will go. You will then need to use the stiff brush and wiping tool that came with the unit to wipe down the stair that was just cleaned. Repeat this process until you reach the top of the escalator. The machine is brought down the escalator by turning on the escalator and stopping it a few steps before the landing. To get the machine from one side of the escalator to the other, you'll need to raise the machine up and push up and down and lift on the handle to shift it over. If the solution tank runs out, you will need to refill it and empty the dirty water tank at the same time. You can see here the difference the machine makes on the stairs after one side has been cleaned. As always, you can find a ton of support material for all brands of floor equipment by going to www.usaclean.com. For immediate help with any floor equipment, always call 1-800-USA-CLEAN or visit us online. Thanks for watching.